Presenting the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. The phone has display of 17.44 cm, 6.9 inch, 3200 by 1440 pixels resolution and dynamic AMOLED display. The phone also has no signs of wear, Quad HD Plus resolution and capacitive touchscreen. It has 108 MP PD, OIS f1.8 wide plus 48 MP OIS f2.0 telecamera plus 12 MP f2.2 ultra wide plus VGA depth camera and 40 MP PD. Quad rear camera and rear LED flash. It has OIS f2.2 front punch hole camera. It has expandable memory up to 1 TB and 12 GB RAM. Micro SD card slot, expandable up to 1 TB, and 128 GB internal memory. It supports dual SIM, Nano plus Nano, hybrid SIM slot and dual standby, 4G plus 4G. It runs on Android V10.0 operating system. It is powered by plus 2 GHz Exynos 990 octa-core processor and 2.73 GHz plus 2.5 GHz. It also features dual SIM and GPS. The delivery box contains handset, non-removable battery included and earphones. Travel adapter, USB cable and user manual. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.